So, did you know that Apple has just updated their vintage list of devices? Well, if you currently have some of these devices, well, it's about this time that you know that your device is a vintage device. So, what does it mean that your device is an Apple vintage device? Well, it means that your device won't be getting current updates. You're just gonna be stuck to that point, like no updates. Like here, where I'm from, there are these iPads. Which iPads are those? I'm not too sure of them. We'll look into that. But these iPads are being sold like for $50 US. Now, here's the funny thing: when you actually do get these iPads, you don't update them. Any app that you tend to download, they're gonna be asked to upgrade to the recent version, or that version is not supported on that device. Now, most of the people who kind of get these devices are just stuck with nothing because they are vintage devices. They don't update. You just don't get anything new with them. And do you guys also know that Mark Zuckerberg is the fourth richest person on planet Earth? Yeah, he is. That's a quick tip, just so you guys will know that. I mean, it just came, it just came on. And his net worth is rumored to be like 200 billion. Like, I mean, gosh, one person? No, the iPhone X and the very first AirPods. Now, these devices are being classified as vintage devices. That means that these devices won't receive current updates and support from Apple. Before the iPhone X was announced as a vintage device, like we're looking at some of those Mac versions that are released in the year 2015. Majority of those marks are currently vintage devices. You could check them up on current news feeds to verify that it's actually true. I hope this information was really helpful to you guys out there. Before you get a device, make sure you do some follow-up on that, just to be sure of what you're getting, because you don't want to get something that doesn't receive updates and is not supported by Apple officially. So make sure you know all of that before getting these devices. Well, until next time, it's your boy Jay, and I'll see you guys around, or I'll see you in the next video.